Amira once read a quote, "A goddess cares for herself like she's already divine."
That thought inspires me every day, starting with my skincare routine. I'll be giving you my skincare routine morning and night, AM and PM, to tackle acne and hyperpigmentation. Hi there, it's Amira. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first of all, my face wash is from Nivea. I started using it since 2022 when I just started using skincare, and I haven't let it go since. Anyways, I just washed my face. So next, I use the Beauty Formula's Brightening Vitamin C Facial Tonic. I just use this with a cotton pad and apply it all over my face and neck. I love this because it not only brightens my skin, but remove any dirt I may have left on my skin. Then I use my Snail Mucin 95 plus peptide from Jumiso. Completely revives my skin and gives it a dewy look, which I love, and helps to soothe skin damage caused by UV rays. My skin is thriving and absolutely great. Next is the Stellene sunscreen. I currently use it as a moisturizer, as is what I realized recently that it doesn't have any sun protection ingredients on TikTok, as it was a whole topic. After that, I go in with my sunscreen from Skin Aqua. I really love this as it not only protects my skin, but also gives it a dewy finish, which I love. Then for my lips, I use the Absolute Lip Gloss, which I love, because I basically don't have to reapply multiple times. Yeah, so there goes my skincare routine, my morning skincare routine, as I like to keep it simple and not go overboard with it. And it's onto the nighttime skincare routine. So we go again with the Nivea face wash. I want to say this face wash actually doesn't dry out the skin, which I love, and because it works really well for me. Then I go with my Face Fact Ceramide Hydrating Cleanser to wash my face the second time. Next, I go into my Beauty Formula's Vitamin C toner with my cotton pad and apply it all over my face. Then I go in with the In-Situ Hyaluronic Acid toner while my face is still wet to hydrate it. Then wait for a few minutes till my skin is dry. And then use my Jumiso Snail Mucin peptide and apply it, which gives it a dewy finish. Next, I go in with the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. Moisturizer is really important regardless of your skin type. And finally, to the star of the show, tretinoin. This has really helped my skin, as it's what basically got rid of my acne and helps with my hyperpigmentation. I only use the pea-sized amount, and that is what I use for my face and neck. For people who are scared to use it, cause it may initially break you out, I start slowly, one time for 2 weeks, then build up. Leave it on the screen, as this is the method I use, and you experience any form of breakout. And this is my skincare routine, guys. I've given you the one for morning and the night, and just a quick reminder, always use sunscreen, and that is about it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back.